the other end of the hose. There's a foot valve down there. It's a one way. As water goes down into it, it closes it. But when the machine kicks in, it creates enough suction to open the valve. So we don't have any water. It's like the last week of July and still no water. Here's the issue. This is the pump housing that I thought but actually I don't think this is not from draining the water, because this is on the outside of the housing. I think this might have got bumped and split. It may be from water, but anyway, that goes up against the side of the pump. And that's a diaphragm that goes in there and is able to swing in and out with the water pressure. And if that doesn't form a perfectly good seal around that, and this, your centrifugal pump is not going to work. So, Powerfist motors, I hope you have some replacement parts. If not, I need a new pump.